size of mine. These were so good in the black, I had to get the pink. These are fabulous. So if you guys want to see me try these on, I'll put the link to my black ones. Here's the code. I would highly recommend getting yourself a pair of these fabulous shoes. These are so comfy, comfy, comfy. Comfy, comfy, comfy. And I wore these for like 6 or 7 hours one day, and my feet was not tired. These are just so comfy, and they're so cute, even though they look like they're high and like you wouldn't be able to stand on them for a long period of time. These I had to get the pink pair, so I can have 2 pair of these for summer, so I can switch between. So, want to add a little height this summer? Get these. I'm telling you, they are very, very comfortable. So get yourself a pair. 60 bucks, that's all. All right? Get yourself some. They run big, so no half sizes. If you wear a 10, maybe a 9 might fit for you. But if you a 10-10, then get a 10. Okay, peace out. I did get a yoga shirt to match this. And I got the pants. The pants came in a different box. But I'll insert a picture of this. So let me see. I thought it was so cute. So I'm gonna try it on, let you guys know what I think. If I insert some pictures of myself wearing it, then you guys will know that I liked it. If not, then you'll know that it's gotta go back. But yeah, it's called Nike Yoga. And this is what it looks like. I'll insert some pictures so you guys can see. So we'll see. So I have the pants in a different box, but I'm just not gonna do the unboxing on camera. I'll just try it on if it